Stoneworms Tech channel here, and today I've been video about the HTC A101. So HTC has announced a new tablet, so this is pretty cool. So if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below. So the HTC A101 is going to Africa, guys. So that's going to Africa at launch, and so yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's what the tablet looks like there, front and back. So this might be a long video, so stay tuned for that. Expand your view there. Says here, Full HD vivid 10.1 inch display and sleek design, an excellent experience in every setting. The 10.1 inch full high definition display gives you vivid visuals and a wide angle view with a slim metal body and a smooth 2.5D touch panel. The A101 provides a high quality tactile experience. 2.5D Full HD display, 10.1 inches, 1920 by 1200 pixel Intel full bonding processor. So yeah, multitask even complex activities with ease. It has a 12nm chip, 8-core CPU, which is an octa-core chipset, 8GB of RAM. So pretty nice. It says powered by a massive 8GB of RAM and a uni, I guess a UNI, I don't know, so it's the mean something, I guess it's a uni SoC, I guess, or something, I'm not really sure. It's a T618 octa-core chipset, and the A101 delivers plenty of power for fluid user experience, even when switching between the most demanding processes. So this tablet should run very well because it has 8GB of RAM, so it should do pretty well. Vast 128GB of internal storage, very free storage all in one place. Competition beating and easy expandable storage ensures you don't need to worry about where to save your most treasured photos, videos, and apps. You get 128GB of internal storage, 256GB of micro SD expansion. There's the tablet there on the front. And now I guess we'll talk about the cameras here. It says elevates your portraits with dual cam enabled natural depth, equipped with a trailblazing 16MP and 2MP dual lens main camera. You can capture detailed depth sensitive portrait photos. So you have a 16MP main camera, 2MP ultra wide camera in the back, and a flash. So not bad for a tablet. I don't know who's me taking pictures and videos on the tablets, but it's there if you guys want to. Here are some samples here of the pictures taken, I guess, on the tablet itself. Night mode, portrait mode. So I guess it's night mode here and portrait mode here. Enjoy. So video call. Yeah, with the enjoy editing 1000 mAh and video calls without leads. With the long-lasting 7000 mAh battery and connectivity to both Wi-Fi and LTE, you can enjoy all of A101's best features from anywhere with ease. So you do get Wi-Fi connection, of course, and you get LTE with this tablet as well. So pretty cool. Security access everything in an instant with AI face unlocks. You do get face unlock on here, so pretty cool. Since accessibility doesn't have to mean low security, with AI face unlock you can securely access your A101 without having to handle PIN codes or pattern passwords. Alright, so it's pretty nice. They have two color options. They have a gray version and a silver version. They both look very nice. Overall, it looks like a very nice tablet in my personal opinion. I think it looks very nice. The spec sheet here is pretty decent for what it is. So y'all guys have a 10.1 inch display, 1920 by 1200 pixels. There's the dimensions there. 530 grams of weight. Android 11, according to this, which is a bit outdated now. It has a SCT618 octa-core processor, 16 megapixel main camera with the f2.2 aperture autofocus, 2 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 fixed focus single LED flash, timer up to 10 seconds, bokeh mode, full HD video recording, video pic, which lets you capture photos while recording videos. Front camera, 5 megapixel, fixed focus, f2.2 aperture, beauty mode, 8-hour face unlock, full HD, 720p, supposed to be, I don't know if it's supposed to be 720p or 1080 because it says full HD, so I'm not really sure. You also get video pic as well, which lets you take pictures while recording videos. Alright, let's go back up here. Buttons, keys, connection ports. Like I said, obviously volume up, volume down, power on, off. The volume buttons are its own buttons, and then you have power off or on, that's one button. Then you have a reset button, which is pretty cool. Type-C charging, headphone jack, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM, expandable micro SD up to 256 gigabytes. You have flex storage, SIM card and mobile network, and it takes a nano SIM card, dual standby, dual LTE. Both SIM support LTE. Says SIM card manager, set up mobile data connection without swapping SIM cards and existing SIM slots. Alright, so there's your bands and stuff like that, and frequencies and all that. Go back up here. Location that has internal GPS, antenna with GLONASS. It has a PL sensor, I'm not sure what that is. It has a gyroscope sensor, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi, 8 to 11 ABG and an AC on the go adapter, so you can use the OTG function with this. Battery 7,000 milliamps. Power saver mode, 5-volt charging. There's your audio formats, video formats there. And I think that's it there. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The HTC A101 has been announced by HTC a week after they announced their metaverse smartphone, the HTC Desire 23 Pro, and now they announced a new tablet here, the A101. At launch, this tablet's going to Africa, so do keep it in mind. This should be going to other markets at some point. I don't know about the US though. I don't know, but we'll see. So it looks like a very nice tablet. It looks like a very nice tablet, and man, it has pretty good specs. Like, the only thing I don't like about it, it has Android 11 on board, which it should get Android 12 and the Pocket Android 13. But I'm not sure how good HTC's track record is of updating the software. I don't know how good it is, so I can't, confirm or deny that, because I don't know how good their updates are. So, but the tablet looks very nice. Like I said, it has good features for what it is. I don't know how much the prices. I will have them in the description box. Like I said, this is going to Africa, so I will have the African currency, then I'll have it in US dollars as well, so pretty cool. It's a very nice looking tablet that has modern features on it. Big ass battery, what you would expect it from a tablet new shit. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about it is Android 11 on there. That's like the only thing I don't like about it is Android 11, which Android 11 is it's outdated now. It's still usable. Android 11 is still usable, but it's outdated. Android 13 will be officially released this fall, so Android 11 is about to be 2 OSs behind. So Android 13 is already in beta. So if this thing had Android 12 on it, it'd be great. But Android 11 is a little outdated now, so it's up to you. It's up to you if you guys want to get this tablet or not. So if you guys can bypass the outdated OS, the tablet looks very nice. It has pretty good specs, and so yeah, guys. So there you guys have it. HTC has announced the HTC A101, a new tablet going to Africa at launch. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.